Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at the best Samsung 55-inch QLED TV, the Terrace. This outdoor TV is perfect for those who want to elevate their outdoor entertainment experience, whether you're relaxing on the patio, enjoying a barbecue with friends, or watching the big game on a sunny afternoon. Let's start with the design. The Samsung 55-inch The Terrace is an outdoor-optimized QLED TV, built specifically to handle daylight. Thanks to its ultra-bright 4K QLED screen, you'll get a picture that remains vivid and clear, even in direct sunlight. That's right, no more squinting at a washed-out image under the sun. Whether it's early morning or late afternoon, the TV is designed to deliver an incredible viewing experience all day long. This model comes equipped with quantum dot technology, which means you'll get 100% color volume in the DCI-P3 color space, bringing over 1 billion colors to life. The colors will pop like never before, making your favorite movies, sports, or games come to life with true cinematic quality. Another feature that makes this TV stand out is its weather-resistant durability. The Terrace is IP55 rated, which means it's resistant to dust and water, so you don't have to worry about sudden rain showers or the dust that comes with outdoor life. No matter the weather, you can keep the entertainment going year-round. It's built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for your patio, backyard, or even poolside. Now, let's talk about the viewing experience. The Terrace comes with a wide viewing angle and an anti-glare screen, ensuring that no matter where you're sitting, you'll have an excellent view. Whether you're sitting directly in front of the TV or off to the side, you'll still get sharp, clear images without any distortion. So, whether it's a family gathering or a fun party with friends, everyone gets to enjoy the same picture quality. Powered by Tizen, this TV is also a smart TV. You can easily connect it to your home Wi-Fi, access all your favorite apps and streaming services, and control it with ease. It even has built-in Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby, so you can change channels, adjust the volume, or even check the weather, all without lifting a finger. The smart functionality makes this TV incredibly versatile, and the convenience is truly a game-changer. When it comes to sound, the Terrace doesn't disappoint. With built-in speakers that deliver clear and rich sound, you won't need to worry about connecting external speakers. However, if you're looking for a deeper sound experience, you can always pair it with a compatible soundbar, but for most users, the built-in audio should be more than enough. Samsung has also made sure that this TV is easy to install, with minimal clutter and a simple setup process. You can use your smartphone to get started, making it quick and hassle-free. The one-cable setup helps reduce clutter, and the TV's sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any outdoor space. In terms of picture quality, the direct full-array 16x backlight technology ensures you get deep blacks and pure whites, which is essential for watching everything from action-packed movies to dramatic sports games. The 2000+ nits of brightness help maintain that clear picture, even when the sun is at its brightest. To sum it all up, the Samsung 55-inch QLED The Terrace TV is the ultimate outdoor entertainment solution. With its ultra-bright 4K picture, weather-resistant durability, smart TV capabilities, and stunning picture quality, it's the perfect way to bring the magic of television to your outdoor living space. Whether you're having a family movie night, watching sports, or just enjoying a sunny afternoon with your favorite shows, this TV makes it all better. So, if you're looking for an outdoor TV that combines top-notch performance with weatherproof durability, the Samsung Terrace is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there. See you in the next video.